Life expectancy, lifespan. Siguro tanong mo rin ito. Dahil paiksi na ng paiksi ang buhay ng tao sa mundo ngayon, siguro max na natin yun 70, no? And mas marami nang namamatay ng mas maaga. Sabi ng Bible sa Psalms 90:10, "The days of our lives are 70 years, and if by reason of strength, they are 80 years. Yet their boast is only labor and sorrow, for it is soon cut off and we fly away." Napakaiksi ng buhay natin. Sabi nga sa Bible din, we are like vapor, no? Lalabas and then mawawala. Parang bula. Sana ito yung tanong mo sa iyong sarili. How do I spend this short life that I have here on earth? Am I using it for the glory of God? Or am I using it for my own pleasure? And if you want to know your purpose sa buhay na ito, I would like to share to you some verses. Naalala ko yung verse na sinulat ng isa sa pinakamatalinong tao sa mundo, si Solomon. Ito ang kanyang sinabi sa Ecclesiastes 12:13-14. Here is the conclusion of the whole matter. Fear God and keep His commandments, for this is man's all. For God will bring every work into judgment, every secret thing, whether good or evil. Sana yan din yung goal mo.